Thanks for joining me on my channel today with AmysCreative I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I'm going to do a rainbow pour again, but this time I'm going to do it. I have this black canvas. It's a 12 by 24 inch Artist Loft canvas. I'm going to do black on the base. And I'm going to just have a little fun and I'm going to smear today. I haven't smeared for a while. And to be honest with you, I kind of miss it. Though I've been having a lot of fun with all this resin work, but I miss it. So I figured today I'm going to do some smearing. I do thank everybody for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoy the video and you will like and subscribe and share, all that fun jazz, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I put up my next videos. I normally do them on Sundays and Wednesdays, and then sometimes I'll do a random one here and there if I do like a collaboration with somebody or something. But for the most part on Wednesdays and Sundays. Get that over that corner there. Alright, let's torch this here. I've been kind of playing around with some rainbow Dutch pours, and I need to keep practicing on that Dutch pour because I just can't quite get that consistency down correct. So gotta keep working on that. Some creative inspirations. I'll have it in the description. The orange I'm using is the neon orange or fluorescent orange from Artist Loft. And I have the neon yellow from Artist Loft. The green is Decoart's Emerald. My blue is Blinkrylic's Florescent Blue. And then the purple I have, I think this is, gosh, what is this? I'm trying to look at the bottles over there by my thing to see if I have any out. I think it's Blinkrylic's Violet. And my smear color will be Amsterdam's Oxide Black.
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from.
I think I'm good. I think I'm gonna leave it like it is. I kind of like it. It's different, but it's like my vibe. Super cool. Definitely way different, but I really like it. All right, so we'll bring it down for a close-up. Kind of cool. So the only metallics I have is the green. That's the Decoart's Decoart's Emerald. All the rest of them are not metallics. But the colors are just beautiful. I love them on this black base. Look at all that cool lacing there. You guys have to tell me what you think. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, it's kind of funky. But I do hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys will come back again. I appreciate all your support. I am a little over 900, and we're getting up there to 1,000 subscribers, and then I have to get to 4,000 watch hours. So we're getting there. So I do appreciate all of your guys' support, and all of your comments mean so much to me. You guys are so nice. I appreciate it so much. I hope everybody is, sorry about that light from the ceiling there, but I hope everybody is healthy and being safe from COVID, and I hope everybody is doing well. I appreciate you guys watching. Have a good day, have a good evening, and keep being creative. Bye.